I'm gonna put some pork with the cereal.
Yeah, mix it.
Mix it with the cereal.
You don't like Cuban food or you do? Delicious Cuban food or no?
I know, but I'll put it.
Here you are, Miami Beach, South Beach. Yes.
This is two pieces.
Follow tiny pieces. Yes.
Follow cereal the ballet pork.
Don't do that.
Separate. Finish yourself. Eat it.
Oh, wow, what do we have there? You're a head bopper, aren't you? You're a rock and roller. Diana, is that how we sit in a high chair? No, Diana, that's not how we sit in a high chair. No, exactly, that's not, no. That's so cute.
She eat all of this?
Ah, papa. Nice high chair. You approve the quality? Mama, curată nu te șas de.
That's so cute. That's so cute.
Good stuff, Diana. We'll carbonate your formula from now on. You obviously like carbonation in your drinks.
Just like, yeah. You know, Brianna, I told her to drink more water. And she was like an addict.
Da.
Show course flirt. Because, you know, you have to change.
You bring your lunch, right?